Today, the police issued an arrest warrant for DeMarcus Cousins. It's for a misdemeanor domestic violence charge. Christy West, the former girlfriend of Cousins, is seeking a restraining order against him after she said in court documents and in a police report that he threatened her and has previously choked her. This was first posted by TMZ, and they alleged that Cousins basically told her he was going to end her if she didn't allow his son to attend his wedding with another woman. Obviously, Cousins didn't say it like that. He said it a lot meaner. And TMZ has actually leaked the audio of Cousins talking to her and making the threat. So you can definitely find it if you do some Googling. I think it's even on YouTube. But Christy West, she actually feels threatened by the way that he said it. And now she's saying that he has abused her before in the past. So the Lakers, they've been notified of this. They've already put out a statement that they're looking into the allegations. And in the end, his son was not allowed to go to the wedding. It's just not good news for Cousins. It's more distractions. He's already dealing with so much. He's got the injury and now he has this going on. It's a rough time for him. We're going to have to wait for all the facts to come out, but Cousins will be arrested soon. Maybe he'll turn himself in, or maybe they'll just get him tomorrow, tonight. Who knows? The warrant is already out there. Very interesting news. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know if these teammates can catch lobs, so we're not going to throw them just yet. I don't want to get any turnovers. Oh, he's sagging again. This is actually a very good game here in the first half. They're double teaming. They're terrified. I'm not even in the pros yet, and I'm already